I want to take some of the mystery out of how to select the proper hose for a marine wet exhaust application. Before me, you see the various different types of hose that Shields manufactures and offers to the market. We have basic wire reinforced hose. We have corrugated wire reinforced hose, and we have hose with no wire. We make it in various compounds which have features and benefits that are important to a boat owner. The first thing you need to look for in a marine wet exhaust hose is this standard, SAE J2006. That standard was built to assure that the hose that you select will operate in a wet exhaust system. One of the most frequent questions we get asked in our tech service lines is, which hose do I use for an application? How tight can I bend it? Where do I have to use it? The simplest installation for an exhaust hose is a straight connection between 2 points, whether it's an engine manifold and a piece of pipe or 2 pieces of fiberglass tubing. For that hose, we recommend a soft wall exhaust hose. It's very easy to fit over the fittings and very easy to clamp. One thing that can't be done with a soft wall hose, though, is it can't be bent. It has to be a straight connection. If you bend it, it will kink. When a hose has to be bent in the installation, we offer a wire reinforced hose, which will allow you to make a bend without the hose collapsing. The wire reinforced hose, one question we always get is, what's the most I can bend the hose safely? And we generally recommend 5 times the inside diameter as a bend radius. So a 1 1/4 inch hose would be 6 1/4 inch radius of the bend. You can obviously bend it tighter than that, but if you do, you risk damaging the hose, because this surface, you're stretching the compound and it's more likely to be chemically attacked. For more severe bends, we recommend a corrugated exhaust hose. The corrugated hose is built with these ridges in it that allow the hose to flex on itself. And for this hose, we recommend 4 times the inside diameter as the maximum bend radius. Shields blue stripe hose that I'm holding in my hand here, both these two are made from a heat-resistant compound called EPDM mixed with some SBR. These compounds are very good for marine exhaust systems and are the standard in the industry. We also offer a hose with a white border on the stripe, blue stripe, white border. This is our plus exhaust hose or our ultra exhaust hose that is also oil resistant and flame resistant so that it meets the commercial standard of SAE J1942, which is used in inspected vessels. It's a very good piece of product and costs a bit more. And then, of course, we have our blue silicone hose. The silicone hose is made of a very high heat-resistant compound, which far exceeds what's needed in a wet exhaust system, as long as the system is operating normally. It's generally used in very large yachts with very large diesel engines, where the shutdown temperatures can reach higher than 250 degrees inside the engine compartment. This hose will resist with no problem 350 degree Fahrenheit. One other way to plumb an exhaust system is with short connectors and fiberglass pipe. Shields offers a wide variety of these short connectors. 90-degree elbows, 45-degree elbows, and straight hump hose connectors. These connectors are all made from EPDM and will operate up to 250 degrees. They are designed to absorb the vibration between 2 pieces of pipe and allow you to make a very sharp bend with a large piece of ID of hose.